know Jill first as a leader over rehab services. She supervises the physical therapists, the OTs, the speech therapists, and when I knew that I had to have some physical therapy, I was asking for some references and or referrals and who might be the best to go to, and everybody said Jill.
She's absolutely terrific. She's probably the real patient advocate person that we all talk about and want to be. She really puts her patients first, and she isn't afraid to discuss things with the physicians that refer the patients if she thinks there's something she can do for them. She listens to the patients, and she's a real good communicator.
When we recruit for physical therapists, we're looking for clinicians who have great communication skills. Obviously, we want clinicians who meet the requirements of the physician, the clinical requirements, the educational requirements. But beyond that, we're looking for those individuals who experience and how they present themselves are consistent with the values of Provena Health. Jill characterizes that perfectly. In my experience with her as a therapist, she did a great job of putting me at ease.
Your patient has to really trust you to do all the things you ask of them because they have a lot of challenges that they have to deal with. And when she builds that trust relationships with the patient, they're willing to do that extra mile for her. And it's really neat to see how much progress they make and how well they do.
We really look to our leaders, particularly in rehab, for their assistance and their ideas in coming up with recruitment strategies. And Jill has been very, very helpful for our recruiters as well as for me.
And for Jill, she really is, this is a ministry. She has such integrity in what she does, and I think that makes a huge difference. She puts in however many hours are needed to get the job done and to do the things right. And she certainly has to balance that with her family, but she tries very hard to meet everybody's needs and see the whole picture, and that's a gift.